Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to simply enable location access on your Windows PC. Very easy step-by-step tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on that and then make sure you go to settings. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on location. Then it's going to take you right here. Then location for this device is off. What you need to do is to simply click on change. And this window here is going to pop up. The next thing you need to do is to simply turn on. It's as simple as that. And all apps that have access to your location is going to be enabled, and you can simply come down below right here and disable some of the ones that you don't want them to have access to your location. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.